First thing I'm going to do is to pour olive oil all over the chicken. And with my very clean hands, I'm going to massage this chicken, rub the oil all over it, get some on the inside even. I'm going to reach with my fingers underneath the skin and loosen the skin from the breast and into the legs. And I want to be careful not to break through the skin, particularly for this dish because we want our roast chicken to look pretty in the end. So now I'm going to take a generous amount of my seasoning mix, rub that all in the inside of the chicken, just like this. And you see there's some fat here. I'm not going to remove that because I like to baste my chicken and the fat is useful when you're doing that. Next, on the inside, I'm going to take the large chunks of lemon, a couple of those, couple of chunks of onion, the garlic, just pushing it inside the chicken. And you use as much as you can fit in there because you're flavoring your chicken. I think that's enough. Now I'm taking the seasoning blend again, and I'm going to go under the skin, pushing it under and moving it around both sides. One of the keys to a delicious roast chicken is to have an abundant amount of your seasoning mix. Your chicken will taste bland if you don't season it appropriately. Now take the slices of the lemon and push them into the chicken under the skin. As this chicken cooks, the lemon is going to baste the inside of your chicken. It's going to be so yummy. Oh my goodness. So it's going to look pretty too. You'll see it after the chicken cooks. Next, I'm going to take the rest of my seasoning mix. Just put it all over the chicken. You just want to have your chicken well coated with your seasoning mix. And then right now I'm going to tie up my chicken legs with a piece of twine, just like this. There we go. And this is going into my 375 degree preheated oven. And it will take 1.5 hours to 2 hours for this to cook. We're ready to baste the chicken. It's been about an hour. There's quite a lot of fat released into the roasting dish. I'm just using my baster and gathering some of that. And nice, get crispy. And the flavors will go throughout the whole chicken. I'm also going to test to see where we are from a temperature perspective so I can gauge about how much longer we're going to need to go. The thermometer reads 185 degrees. We're ready to take this roasted lemon chicken out of the oven. It's looking beautiful.